Hi, Internet friends. I'm Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions, bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today's topic is going to be on roofs, manual versus automatic. I'm working off of this hover report that the contractor sent us. So I've got it set up that all of the walls, it's mainly a 5-pitch, right? With a 2-pitch shed in the back here. All of the walls, what I did was well, let me just show you my settings, right? So I'm assuming rafters. I set the structure to 2x6s. My eave overhang is going to be 24. My gables is going to be 2 inches. Let's see here. It's not honoring that 2-inch situation, so we may have to adjust some things. Allow low roof planes, same height eaves, same height roof at exterior walls. All right, so I did auto rebuild roofs. What I did was I extended this wall over to here, and I broke that wall there, and I broke this wall here. So this section is a gable. This wall is a gable. This short wall is a gable, and this wall is a gable. Oh, and this wall is a gable. You could, let's see what it does if I change this wall back to hip. There we go, like so, and drew in a gable. Extend this wall over here like this, and then I'm going to draw in a gable here to here. I don't know what these gable roof lines do. Then I just break the wall, select that wall, and you can go into here and make it a full gable wall there, or just select the tool down here, make that a gable wall. And then delete this wall like that. You'll notice that we need some cleaning up. So let's do that quickly. Again, this is only going to be 2 inches here. You're modifying a roof plane that's built with auto roofs. Do you want to turn that off? Yes, I'm going to turn that off 2 inches. Now this is measuring 1'10" because it's measuring to the roof plane here. So that's going to be 0. I'm going to select this, break that right there, and move that square to the wall. I'm selecting the roof plane, hitting the number 3 key on my keyboard. That's the break. And then I'm going to draw a roof right here. Drag it along that outside, if you will, of this wall, and click up in this direction. Over the wall top is what I want. Yes. Drag this into position here. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to drag this corner up like so. Now I'm going to select this top ridge, and I know it's selected because it's highlighted with a larger red square than any of the other squares, and these are gray, they're not red. So I'm going to select this one and hit the number 2 key that joins that to this roof plane. And let's see, this is going to join this 512 pitch should just stop back here like this. This one 212 is going to join there like that. And then So I need to break this 212. It's hard to picture in your mind's eye. And I'm going to join that with 1. So according to the hover port here, back over here again. It looks like this ridge, it's not meeting here, centered on that wall. Matterport. See this? There we go. It may not be on that gable. So let's see what we've got here. Back to Chief. Okay, and our hover report says, oh boy, right? This one's tricky, huh? Okay, so that looks, according to the Matterport scan, this ridge is about halfway in the middle of this window. That's fine. So that looks correct. That to, so we may have to, let's do this. I'm going to select this 212 pitch roof and click on my um, roof plane intersections. Also notice that the ridges aren't quite aligning here, so I'm going to just manually select my 212, move it where it needs to be in plane, in the geometry. Select the ridge height, copy, Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac. Open the 212s, lock this pitch. Do I lock that or lock the plate? I'm going to lock the plate and tell the ridge to be that. I'm going to paste that in there. So that's going to be 2 plus 2 and a 16th. Shift F6 so I can see this. Let's turn off my here so I can reference it. What the pictures and what hover are telling me is this goes over like so, and this back like that. This is not that high, so I'm wondering if the 212 the flat ceiling all the way through there. Hear it? This must be up higher than somehow, because move this up. So I'm going to transform replicate, say 12 inches. In those, let's do this. Roof intersection points. There we go. That. That's getting close. And then I'm going to select this roof plane. And I'm actually going to carve it out around this wall so that what happens when I do that is that these walls go up to the 512. And that's actually what's happening in showing in the field view laptop screen, and you can see that. That's actually what's going on there. So then this will join with this here. This line will join with this line. I'm going to break my 212 pitch, pull it back like so, and make this line join with that. Now, it's not going to like this, right? Because, so here's my 212 pitch line, my plane going like this. This is the 512 going this way. And let me pull this back so it's not quite so confusing. Let me also turn off walls, normal. So we just see the roof pitch here. Okay, so here's my 212. Here's my 512. This is this pitch right here, going like this. Now, when I try to join this edge with this edge of the 212, this edge here with this edge, you can see this piece, this line would get eliminated from that corner to that corner of this roof plane right here. would get eliminated if this were to join with this. And Chief is not going to automatically eliminate any lines when you join things. I've turned my messages off for that, but I just know that's what's going to happen. So I'm going to drag this corner, this diamond shape, from here to here, and then I can join the two. Now I'm going to finish that up joining these. And there's my roof plane. I can get rid of these X's by going to CAD points, delete temporary points. Let's turn my layers back on so that I can see that. There, my friends, is our roof. The only thing I think I see left to do is put on some box eaves, which I know is all around the house except for that 212. So I'm going to just select those that are boxed, open them up, options, boxed eave. There we have our model. Whoops. Finish up the terrain and I think I'm good. Thanks for following along. If you've learned something, click like and please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified each week when these videos are released. Thanks a lot. Have a great week. Take care.